I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video, which is to accompany the listing on Etsy for this drum here. Okay, so I'm going to be talking a little bit about this drum, but primarily the purpose of the video is to listen to the sound. So if that is the main purpose for you visiting this video and you want to skip forward, just slide across through to near the end of the video, and that's where we'll be playing the drum and you'll be able to listen to the sound. But for those of you who stick around, just want to talk to you a little bit about the drum. It is a deerskin shamanic drum. This is red deerskin. I process all of the deerskins that I get raw, deflesh, dehair, soak, stretch, and process the skins from the beginning through to the end, right through to where we're ready to birth the drum. This process is done with the utmost of respect and love for the animal, with ceremony, cleansing and blessings throughout. The same for the wood that we make the frames with. I make them from scratch. I buy the wood in. First thing I do is the ceremony for a blessing and a cleansing of the wood to give thanks to the tree. And then it's a process of cutting it and steaming, bending, gluing, clamping, sanding, all the whole process through to, again, when we're ready to make the actual drum itself. I have taken recently to start engraving on the inside of the frame the dates when the drum is birthed. This is to give you the astrological information as regards to the time when the birth information of the drum. Also, I put my signature on there, which is the maker's mark, which will give you the information that you need sometime in the future. If you've forgotten who you bought the drum from, then you've got a reference point there, so you'll be able to come back either to speak to me or just to absorb my energy, because obviously when somebody births a drum, they're putting some of their energy into it as well. So that's important. Take all these things into consideration when you're connecting with your shamanic healing tool. So this is a deerskin and it's an ash wood frame. The handle is made from hazel wood. It's a hazel wood branch, and engraved in there is a flower of life design, as you can see, which is also on the face of the drum. So if that symbol and that energy of that, the symbology of that design resonates with you, then this is obviously going to be an extra connection and an extra draw for you to be able to get a deeper connection with the drum. So that's the drum. Let's have a little play. Let's see what she sounds like. I'm going to be using two beaters, a firm beater and a soft beater. As with all the drums on my Etsy shop, if you decide to make a purchase, then you're given the option to buy a beater at the same time for an extra £10, and there is then an option whether you want a firm or soft. So that's why I do the two beaters in the video, for you to see the difference between the two sounds. I'm going to start with a firm beater. Here we go. And then the softer beater. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed watching the video, listening to the drum. I'm Crow, Spin Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.